Welcome to our video on the XL4015 module, a versatile voltage step-down converter widely used in electronics projects. In this video, we will explore its features, applications, limitations. Whether you're an electronics hobbyist, a DIY enthusiast, or just curious about how these modules work, you're in the right place. This is a XL4015 module. The XL4015 module is a versatile and efficient DC to DC buck converter, commonly used for stepping down voltage in various electronic projects. This module provides a stable output voltage from a higher input voltage. It's great for powering various electronic projects and devices. Let's dive into the technical specs of the XL4015 module. Input voltage, 8 volt to 32 volt DC. Output must be lower than input. Output voltage, adjustable from 1.25 volt to 30 volt DC. Output current, up to 5 amp, with adequate cooling. Output power, about 70 watt under normal conditions with proper cooling. Efficiency, up to 96%, depends on the input-output voltage. Switching frequency, 180 kHz. Ripple and noise, low, due to integrated high-performance components. Protection features includes overcurrent protection, overtemperature protection, and short-circuit protection. These specifications make it a robust choice for various applications requiring reliable voltage and current conversion. The physical dimensions of the XL4015 module are crucial for fitting it into your project. Here's a breakdown. Length, approximately 51 mm. Width, approximately 26 mm. Height, approximately 14 mm, not including the heat sink. The module features a compact design and its PCB layout ensures easy integration into your circuits. Here is a pinout diagram for your convenience. The XL4015 module is used in a variety of applications such as power supply for electronics projects, perfect for providing a stable voltage to microcontrollers, sensors, and other components. Battery chargers, it can be used to build custom battery chargers for lithium-ion or lead-acid batteries. LED driver, powers high-brightness LEDs or LED strips with precise voltage and current regulation. DC motor drivers, ideal for powering motors with adjustable speed control. Variable power supply, you can make variable lab bench power supply. How to use. Connect the input, attach your power source to the input terminals, positive to in plus, negative to in minus. Adjust the output volt, use a small screwdriver to turn the volt potentiometer and set the desired output voltage. Note, the output volt must be lower than input volt. Adjust the output current, use a small screwdriver to turn the current potentiometer and set the desired output current if you need. Connect the load, attach your load to the output terminals, positive to out plus, negative to out minus. Verify voltage, use a multimeter to confirm the output voltage is correctly set. Remember to ensure proper ventilation and cooling to avoid overheating, especially when operating at high currents. And that's a wrap on our overview of the XL4015 module. With its impressive specifications and versatile applications, it's a powerful tool for any electronics project. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more electronics video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.